let's draw Atomic Betty. Perfect, here we go. We're gonna start right about here because Atomic Betty's head is about 1/3 of her whole drawing. Here we go, up like this. That's looking nice, right about there. What we can do is bring our headband here like this. Bring this down like that. This is her ear socket on her headband right there. Draw a nice little oval circle here with a window. Looking good. Alright, let's bring this on down like that. Alrighty, and now we can draw her hair. Comes up just a bit like this. Looking nice. A couple of whip-de-doos in here. There we go. Make it all nice for the way you like it. Alright. Oh, I like that. Okay. A little bit of eyebrows right about here and there. Looking nice. Cute little nose she's got. There we go. Here her mouth. Funny lips like this and that. Alright, there we go. Now we got big eyes. She's got beautiful big eyes like this. Do the same over here like that. Alright, and now we can join them up like that. One over here like that. Perfect. Now we can draw our eyeballs. One there. One there. Little highlight right about there. There. And now we can draw her pupils in right there, just like this. Perfect. I like that. We can even color these in if we like, because that's nice. There we go. Black pupils, looking lovely. Okay, here we go. Let's give Atomic Betty a bit of a ponytail here. There we go, just like this. Just like an S, right down like that. And right on back up towards her ear. There we go. Now we can draw her neck right here and there, just like that. And she's got a funny cone-like neck piece right about here. There we go, looking nice. Bring that in like that. Alrighty. And her sleeves do the same kind of funny thing like this. Bring that on down like that. We'll bring that around. There we go. Let's bring our body around here like this. Bring an arm down like this and that. Join those up just for fun. And she's got gloves. More triangles. Lots of triangles on Atomic Betty. A little funny watch bit right about there. Meet her gloves up like this. She's got her hands like that. Very nice. We're looking good, everybody. Now what we can do is draw her belt buckle right about there. Looking very nice. Bring that on in like that. With a couple of bits right here like that. Oh, I like it. Okie doke. Now what we can do is draw the belt like this and that. Another line here right about there like that. Bring that on up like that. Looking nice. Here's her other shoulder bit. Another triangle bit right about there. Bring her arm down like that. And here's a glove that will be hiding behind her skirt that we're doing right about here. Bring that around like this. Another straight line like that. Looking good so far, I like it. And now we've got pointy legs like this. And this. Funny heels. Oh, I like it, everybody. It's Atomic Betty. She's looking pretty good here, I'd say. All right, let's draw boots ending around here like that. I like it. Atomic Betty, let's get to the color. Atomic Betty has red hair, lips, purple dress, green eyes, light skin, yellow buckle and ears. Thanks, everyone.